Trading is risky. Please read the disclaimer and enjoy the video.
Welcome, this is Mr. Trader, and today we're going to do a flash analysis. Okay, so starting with the daily time frame, you can see that I marked out this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, this BISI or fair value gap, and you can see that this midpoint wasn't hit, and it is Friday, so we're not going to expect this to be hit, our major draw in liquidity, but we can use this midpoint as a target. Moving on to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that on Thursday we had this market reversal, breaking structure, and we're going to use this as a market structure shift going into today. And going into today, there's a sell side. If we're having a market structure shift going lower, we want to expect lower lows to be hit. Using this 1 hour fair value gap, I decided to have a bearish bias going into today. After marking this 1 hour fair value gap, I marked out the daily open. And before that, there was this inversion fair value gap that I marked out. Obviously, we're looking for bearish prices, so we're looking for the sell side to be hit. Moving on to the 5-minute time frame, you can see this liquidity being breached and a quick turn to the downside over here. And this is the 2022 model. We go inside this fair value gap and we go straight to the sell side. Now on the 1-minute time frame, we can see that there was many opportunities of entries. You can see this 1-minute fair value gap over here, 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 all ways of entering the market and going to the sell side. Moving on to the 15-second time frame, we can see that we were in this 5-minute fair value gap that we noted earlier, and we breached this liquidity. Breaching this liquidity, we made a displacement to the downside, and in this displacement, it left a 15-second fair value gap. We used that fair value gap to go to the downside, and after that, it left a fair value gap over here and a breaker that we can use. We tie them together, and we have this unicorn setup. This is the unicorn setup. We made a quick turn to the downside, and again, there was another unicorn that formed this fair value gap plus breaker block. So it hits it, goes down, and again, we have another opportunity to enter the market. This is a less clean setup, right? Because we've also breached the sell side, but you can still use this as this is also about to hit the draw on liquidity. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see ya.